Greetings, a-hole. Today's sexy story starts with the erection of my new Lego table at a top-secret off-site location. If you haven't already watched the video chronicling its design and construction, what the hell is wrong with you? Check it out ASAP. After being built, our new table was deconstructed and prepared for transport back to Black Glove Bricks headquarters. To prepare for its arrival, we had to completely clear out and reorganize the Lego lab. Bins and boxes were relocated to the game room, where they would keep Miss Pac-Man company. Once the table arrived, in all its modular glory, the team got to work straight away, reassembling it piece by delicious piece. We hefted wood, screwed tight holes, used our hands and tools to twist a bunch of nuts. It was a sweaty, sensuous affair. But after several hours of self-high fives and heavy lifting, our new table stood firm.
It's me! It's me!
We put up a pair of shelves next and attached LED light strips to their underbellies. Then it was time to start moving the storage bins back into the Lego lab. But we needed more. So it was off to Target to pick up a few more shopping carts full of these bad motherfuckers. With shelves mounted, storage bins secured, and everything in its proper place, the team rejoiced and celebrated our special victory that evening with 3 hot dogs apiece. So, what do you think of the new table, a-hole? Would you have done something differently? Is there a particular design element you plan to steal? Let us know in the comments.
I didn't want this!
We hope you're excited to see what comes next from Black Glove Bricks, because this is the beginning of a brand new chapter, and it's so hot to have you here with us. Let's ride this gnarly bitch together. Let me see your Lego table layouts. Like this video and give the channel a subscribe if you don't mind or haven't already. Ring the dang bell, you ding dong, and we'll see you again real soon.
Man, damn, did you see that?
It's so fucking fine.
God, I'll bet he's got
I need that. Oh, they love to find out what he's got. Tear him up.
man.
Oh, God. I would fucking tear that cock up.
Yeah, you would.
Oh, damn, fucking crazy.
Jesus Christ. Oh, my God.
Everywhere I could get it.
Look at that
Every
man's
damn
balls.
day.
Oh,
Yeah.